Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day. I'm in Atco, New Jersey, the Waterford Township section. It's Berlin, zip code 08009. The address is 2408 Cedar Ave. Cedar Ave is a dead-end street, very little traffic, very private location here in Atco. The kids go to Waterford Township Public Schools, and then they go to the Hamilton schools grades 7 through 12. So they go partially into the middle school and they complete at Hamilton High School. This is a huge house. It's 2,020 square feet and it's got a whole bunch of bedrooms. It has a septic system, so I can't call every single bedroom a bedroom perhaps. You're gonna use those rooms as you want, but there's tremendous space to house a whole lot of people here. Let's check it out. Approaching the front, we have these gorgeous crepe myrtles, and you'll find that there's all kinds of great landscape plants here with this property, and a lot of perennials, a lot of annuals, some really nice stuff. This is a transition room, and it's got all screened windows, and you can see you can sit here, play a game of poker, just kind of get back with your friends and family and kind of just find out what's happening in the world. That seems like a really nice spot to do that. Coming into the house, you have a big eat-in kitchen here, galley style, and you see you have your long countertop here, plenty of cabinets, little seating area here, all's good. We'll loop our way into this side, and you have a formal living room, plenty of room for your big screen TV, big sectional couch can fit no problem, and you have another seating area there, use it as you want, 3 seats, no problem on the wall. The seller has told me that there's hardwood floors under this rug in the living room, and it continues on throughout the length of the house. So you have hardwood floors, real nice. This bathroom has been recently updated. You can see with the modern tile palette, gray, beautiful flooring, nice surround, exquisite. This could be a bedroom, and there's many rooms like this in this house. Use them as you want. This would be a pass area here. You could use this as a home office. The seller has a couch in here. Nice little sitting area, read a book, catch up on things. Another potential bedroom here, light and bright, real nice. You got the southern exposure sun all afternoon long. And then you have another potential bedroom right here. The house has 2,020 square feet all told, so it's a very big property and all kinds of room if you need that kind of bedroom space. Let's check out the backyard. Out here you have this excellent 15 by 30 deck, and it's all wood, all in great shape. You can see that you have multiple areas for seating here, lounging, barbecue, whatever you want, you got it here. Step down to the backyard. Seller has a nice annual planting of vegetables here. You got your plum tomatoes, you got some zucchini, looks like you have some peppers coming up, all kinds of real nice stuff. And then to the back of the house here, you can see all the solar panels on top. And we'll talk about that momentarily, the benefit of the solar. The whole yard is fenced in, and it goes, of course, around the entire perimeter. You have 3 sheds which are included. That one is a shed combo greenhouse. So the seller's not using that right now, but that could be easily brought back to its original grandeur and used as a greenhouse. Fantastic. And over here, there's raspberries and mint. So those are really cool to have in your yard. So you can see how nice it is back here. Everything's nice and neat. All right, and there's a lot more to this house. We're gonna take you upstairs next. You have a big, once we get to the top, we have a large bullpen area. Check this room out. All kinds of bookshelves. You could put a big couch in here. This could be another rec area, having all your classic works right there at your fingertips. Maybe put your albums there, whatever you want. You have plenty of storage. This would be another bedroom, potentially. Another nice space. Everything nice and neat. The paint is crisp and very good throughout the entire property. You have this nice laminate flooring, tremendous. Another upgraded bathroom. Check out this shower with the glass doors, high end, and the stacked subway tile surround, real nice. This could be another, we could call it a bedroom. You call it whatever room you want. Another one. And then check out this storage in here. You have a huge area to put all your stuff. And then to round it out up here, there's another room. Use it as you want. So rooms with beds in here, there's 6 of them. So we have a septic system, so I could only say that it has X amount of bedrooms depending on how that's rated. But you as the new buyer, you're going to use this property as you want to. Downstairs in the basement, you have your washer and dryer. So everything nice and neat here. You got the speckled flooring all upgraded nicely by the seller. And you have this tremendous workshop area here. You got your drills, you got your vices, you got miter saws, all this area here for you to bang out whatever you need banged out. You got the pegboard, everything real nice, shelving galore, you could see it. And you have your infrastructure here. There's hot water heat on the second floor, and there's forced air heat on the first floor, and all that apparatus is right in here. If you're new to the channel and you love the content, make sure that you subscribe. It really helps to get our content out to the masses. And if you like the property, give us a thumbs up, a like on it. That helps as well. And if you know anybody that's in the market, share this video with them so that they could be one of the first to know, and perhaps they could win the bid because they are in fact first, a huge advantage. The property is 2,020 square feet. We're gonna call it a 3, maybe it's a 4-bedroom house, and then there's 2 auxiliary rooms. Use those as you want, but there's rooms galore in this property, everything nice and neat. You have a private septic system, and you have public water. You have a dead-end street on Cedar, but one of the great benefits about this property is that it has solar panels, and they're not rented, they're owned by the seller. So you're gonna get the benefit of the seller owning these units. They're going to be transferred over to you. They're going to generate energy all year long, and your electric bills, there's only 2 months, so the seller says, that there's a little bit out of pocket. That would be January and February. The rest of the bills are almost zero. And guess what? You also get SREC with this property. The SRECs, you approximately get 16 a year of those, and they're worth $195 right now in the market. So that's about $3,100 a year that you're going to be of benefit with the SRECs. And that runs for approximately another 9 or 10 years, according to what the seller has told me. An outstanding benefit to you. Property is fantastic out here, fully fenced. You have pear trees in the back, you have vegetable gardens, you have perennial plantings, you have all these rooms, tremendous upgrades throughout, beautiful paint palette, and we're on this gorgeous deck. Make sure that you make your appointment. Your kids will go to the Hamilton High School, and it's grades 7 through 12, and then they go to the Waterford Township Public Schools to begin with. This property won't last. I suggest that you make your appointment, and as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.